Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market, the the Mi Bro Air smartwatch. Okay, it is very affordable without sacrificing the durability as well as the features of a smartwatch. So if you are going to buy a sports smartwatch but you have a limited budget, I recommend this Mi Bro Air smartwatch. Okay, so we have here a beautiful packaging, okay, with a specs and features here on the side, and at the back we have the details of these sports smartwatch. So we have here the name. Okay, let's have a closer look. The Mi Bro Air, okay, XPA0001 model, and I have Bluetooth version 5.0 compatible with the Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 and above. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, as you can see here, what we have is the color silver. Okay, so we're going to check it out. Okay, let's have the unboxing of the Mi Bro Air smartwatch. If you're interested on getting this one, please check out the links below. We have the details on the smartwatches. Okay, the price on the bottom part of the video. Okay, if you have any questions, please drop a comment for this smartwatch. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of the Mi Bro Air. Again, for the full specification of the smartwatch, just search our website smartwatchspecifications.com, and we have the detailed specs and features of the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so nice packaging here. So we have a metal slim body, multiple sports mode. Okay, 25 days standby time. Again, this is our first video for the smartwatch. We're going to have a unboxing and a sneak preview of the smartwatch. Okay, check. So we have the smartwatch, okay, with the strap attached already. We have the magnetic charging cable and the user manual. So these are the contents of the Mi Bro Air packaging or smartwatch. Okay, so let's check first the user manual. So we have here the QR code. So swipe down the dial interface to shift to control center. Click the QR code. Okay, so the description here. Okay, so the Mi Bro Fit app. Okay, let's have a closer look. So you're going to use the Mi Bro Fit app, available in iOS and Android platform. Okay, we have a magnetic charging cable here, USB, and let's have a look at the smartwatch. Okay, I can feel the weight to it. Wow, nice looking smartwatch, the silver color. Beautiful smartwatch here. So far it looks good, it looks premium. Okay, so the strap wheel is already attached to the smartwatch. Let's check first the body here. Okay, let's have a closer look. So this one is, so it is a sticker here. Oh, this is your smartwatch Mi Bro Air. This is how it will look like when we turn it on, and you have here the watch face. So at the back, Mi Bro Air smartwatch. So this is a PC material here. We have interchangeable strap with its quick release pin, and we have the glossy, semi-glossy brush finish for the body. Very slim bezel here, metal button, and a beautiful display screen. Okay, before I forget, see, the smartwatch comes with a free strap here. Beautiful strap, much sporty, and the color is beautiful also. Okay, you can pick it on the shopping site. It is compatible with our Mi Bro Air smartwatch here. Okay, for the display, we'll see. Let's check out the specs here. So we have 1.28 inch TFT screen with a full touchscreen display, 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, it is equipped with a PPG Bio Heart Rate sensor, G sensor. Okay, it also has a Bluetooth 5.0 compatible with the Android and iOS platform. It is IP67 waterproof rated. Okay, so let's check. Casing, metal and ABS. We have here 200 mAh battery, standby time 25 days. Again, for the full specification of the smartwatch, check out our links below. So 12 sports mode, and it's available in black and silver. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the smartwatch. Beautiful body. Okay, very nice weight, very durable, I think, based on the build here. Very slim bezel. Okay, and we have interchangeable strap with a magnetic charging power cable. So I guess this is our heart rate monitor, heart rate sensor. Okay, so far it looks good. I love the feel, the weight. Okay, very simple, minimalist, yet elegant smartwatch from Mi Bro. Okay, the Mi Bro Air. Okay, please check out the links below if you're going to purchase. The links below are trusted sellers. We already contacted them, and they have the legit items for Xiaomi devices, especially for the Mi Bro Air. Okay, next time we're going to check on the features here and the menus. We are going also to demo on how to install it in Android and iOS platform for the Mi Bro app. Okay, so again, other additional specs here. So there's no microphone or Bluetooth speaker. So this is a tempered glass. Nice connectivity. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, no NFC, and a 1.28 inch TFT LCD. Okay, so I guess the only drawback for this one is there's no built-in GPS. But if you have your smartphone, this one I'm pretty sure it supports connected GPS. So if you want to map trajectory, just connect it to your support app, and of course it will track your location and your route with its connected GPS function. The another good features for this one is the long battery life as well as the 12 sports mode. Okay, beautiful Xiaomi Mi Bro Air, or in other product shopping site just call this one as the Mi Bro Air smartwatch. One of the most recommended affordable smartwatch in the market, with its own dedicated application available in Android and iOS platform. Okay, so check out the look of this silver color. I think this is much better compared to the classic black color. Again, it is a semi-glossy brass finish. Okay, stainless steel look in here, button, metal body, PC back, interchangeable strap with its quick release pin, and with a stainless steel metal enclosure. Okay, medium size. Okay, just the right weight. Doesn't look cheap at all compared to other affordable smartwatches. It looks premium. We'll see if it has if the display is good also. It says it has a, let's see, 1 point something, 1.28 inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. We'll check it out on our next video, so watch out. Again, this is your Mi Bro Air smartwatch. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Goodbye.